As I enter or exit the vehicle, I always use 3 points of contact. I will secure the vehicle. Parking brake is set. It's in the lowest forward gear. I am going to chalk my wheels. The ABS light has come on and gone off. The ABS light on the trailer is also off. My gauges have cycled. I will recharge the air system to ensure I begin with full tanks. The system is fully charged at 139 psi. I am now checking the governor cut-in. I will release the parking brakes. The governor should cut in when the needle reaches 100 psi. At 100 psi, the needle is moving upward, so I know the governor has cut in. I will fuel to approximately 120 to 140 psi until the governor has cut out. The governor has cut out at 139 psi. I know this because the needle has stopped moving. I will now do my 3 psi air loss rate test. I will release the parking brakes. After the initial loss of 5 to 15 pounds, I should not lose more than 3 psi in 1 minute. I am starting at 139 psi. I am now at 128 psi. I have lost 11 pounds. I will begin timing now. The minute is up. I am at 126 psi with a loss of 2 psi. I will now do the 4 psi air loss rate test. I will apply approximately 90 pounds of pressure to the service brake. After my initial air loss, I should not lose more than 4 pounds in a minute. I am at 125 psi. My gauge is now at 120 psi. I have lost 5 psi. I'll begin timing now. The gauge is now at 119 psi, and the minute is up, and I am at, so I have lost 1 psi. I will now check the low air warning light and buzzer. The light and buzzer should come on before 55 psi. I will carefully fan the service brake until they are both activated. The low air warning light and buzzer have turned on at 63 psi. I will now check the emergency spring brakes. I will pump the service brake down. The emergency brakes should apply they should apply automatically between 20 to 45 psi. The emergency valves have popped at 41 psi. I will now check the compressor recovery rate. I will fuel to 85 psi and idle to 100 psi. It should take no more than 45 seconds to reach 100 psi. The needle has reached 85 psi. I will start timing now. The needle is at 100 psi. It took 17 seconds to build. I will now fuel until the air system is fully charged. I will now remove the chocks to do the 4-point brake test. First, I will test the trailer parking brakes by releasing the tractor parking brakes so that I can tug against my trailer. The trailer parking brake is holding. We did not move. The coupling is secure. I will now check the tractor parking brake by setting the tractor brake while releasing the trailer brake to tug against the tractor. The tractor brake is holding. We did not move. I will now recharge the air system before the service brake test. The system is full. I will now test the trailer service brake. I will pull ahead at 5 miles per hour and then apply the trailer service brake to make sure we stop. The vehicle has stopped. The trailer brakes are working. I will now test the tractor service brake by pulling ahead at 5 miles per hour and applying the service brakes. I will also hold the wheel lightly to inspect that the steering wheel does not pull to either side, which could indicate brakes may not be adjusted properly. The service brakes are working and we have stopped, and the steering wheel did not pull to either side. That completes the air brake test. I will now move to the in-cab inspection.